What if we've all been looking at social media completely the wrong way around? See, maybe the problem is that we're thinking about it in the present instead of thinking about it from the point of view of the future. You see, there are no real videos of my parents when they were young, and there are a handful of videos that sort of start from when I was a baby, and then, you know, there's a couple throughout time, but that's it. And if we go back even further, I don't think about my grandparents, you know, there's no video, there's no posts, there's no nothing, obviously. And so what are we really doing when we are posting to social media is we're leaving a record. It's always like that, always. Okay, so looks like this dude's in trouble, maybe he's stuck. So it turns out that the delivery driver had kind of backed up onto a steep ramp which had kind of lifted his back wheels up, so he was stuck. We just had to jack up the back wheels of the truck so that we could, you know, get back on the road so I can get some fuel. When I think of all the benefits of making videos all the time, you know, I think the biggest one for me is that my kids will be able to look back and see loads of videos of their dad when he was younger, just, you know, messing about on the internet, and kind of see who their dad was when he was younger, you know, not a few clips, I mean like really detailed. What did I think? What didn't I know? What did I learn? And what was I doing? And I think the historians of the future are going to have kind of the opposite problem to what they've got today, where, you know, today they're, you know, putting little tiny pieces of the puzzle together depending on how far back they go. And, you know, historians of the future are just going to be having to sift through hours and hours of content to try and find that needle in a haystack. So that kind of leads me to ask the question, how do I want to be remembered? You see, I don't really think that social media today is what it's going to be considered as in the future. You know, today people are creating content for various different reasons that kind of benefit themselves and maybe benefit other people. But in the future, I think it will be considered more a record of who those people are over a long period of time. The funny thing is, sometimes I look back on the content that I'm creating and I watch it again. I watch it multiple times and I really enjoy watching it because it's like, you know, it's a very detailed memory. But when I watch it back, I never really watch the tips videos. I watch the videos where I'm up mountains and going out hiking. I'm really kind of being myself. There's a couple of things I need to do and then we're gonna go get some food. And there's this bagel that I had the other day which changed my life. Hey buddy, can I get the In The Club one? Can I get this guy? You see, I think I love this bagel for all the same reasons that I like a lot of creative works, things that you can't really describe, but you just know that you love it. You see, this thing is textured, it's different, it's diverse, it's full of lots and lots of different things. And because of that, I remembered it, but I didn't remember it for the ingredients, I remembered it for what it is in its entirety, and that's only available in one place. You know, I think I've been listening to far too many YouTube gurus who are telling me to pick a niche, squeeze every last drop from that niche. If something's working, keep creating more content on it. And you know, you can do that and it does work. But that's when I stop and think to myself, this is not how I want to be remembered when my kids look back and have the opportunity to listen to their dad talk when they're all older. So what I'm saying is that when you're thinking about what you want to put out into the world, maybe what you should really be asking is, how do I want to be remembered? I think the ironic thing is that the videos that I enjoy the most and the ones that I watch back and kind of that I want to be remembered for are the ones that probably get the least views, the ones that get all those grey down arrows that make YouTubers really sad. But I think that's the next thing that I need to realize. I've realized that after 50k subscribers that the next mountain I've got to climb is understanding that it's more important to enjoy and create things that you like more than creating things that are probably, you know, going to blow up on YouTube. But you can help me with this. You can hit that like button, and if you want to hit the comments and tell me from your heart, how do you want to be remembered?